4 expertly designed blending programs automatically adjust whether you're blending up multiple servings in the blender pitcher, or flying solo with NutriBullet cups. Whatever you're in the mood for, this blender is smart enough to keep up. Take control over your culinary creations with 3 speeds and pulse control, or use an intelligent program if you need an assist. The choice is yours. The high-capacity vented pitcher is ready to blend sweet or savory ingredients into the silkiest of soups. It also has a locking lid and easier spout. It's pitcher perfect. Included, 1,500 watts all-black motor-based 64 ounces pitcher locking pitcher lid with pour spout Tamper easy twist power extractor blade 32 ounces cup 20 ounces cup to go lids recipe guide. Hassle-free cleaning, components are top rack dishwasher safe. This item comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Note: refer to user manual before use. Product built to North American and Canadian electrical standards. Top reviews from the United States. Our all-in-one favorite. We were daily users of our NutriBullet RX for years. When it finally stopped working, we took advantage of the opportunity to order the combo as a counter space-saving measure. The blender combo handles greens, like kale and chard, and frozen fruit, as well as the powerful RX model. The only frozen fruit that leaves small pieces consistently is frozen pineapple. The countdown feature of the multiple speeds helps avoid overheating issues, and the preset programs are spot on for handling whatever you mix. I prefer the high speed to the smoothie preset because my mixtures may contain fibrous additions like fresh ginger pieces. I only need 1 cycle to liquefy the mixture and the drink is still cold. My liquid addition is cold, brewed green tea. I had to get used to not overfilling the 64 ounces pitcher. But, using the 32 ounces cup and extractor blade solved that problem immediately. I will be ordering a second cup. I've tried using it as a blender to make pesto from fresh basil. That was not a success as the pieces were flung to the sides without being properly blended. We'll try again at a lower speed and while adding basil and oil from the top. From this experience I can see where you could encounter thicker mixtures being stuck under the non-removable blade of the pitcher. Keep a spatula handy. So far cleaning has not been an issue. I find it best to clean immediately after use. All in all, at 6 weeks in, this is considered a great purchase.